Hello my dear students, today I am going to teach you about Ashaya, that is Ashaya Sharir in Rachna Sharir part A paper 1. Okay, Ashaya means which gives shelter or ashray to anyone. Okay, this is the general word meaning of the Ashaya. Now we will discuss regarding Nirupti of Ashaya. Ashayo Adhishtanam Dalhan Tikakar on Shushusharit 5/8 as well as Ashaya Adhar Arundat Tikakar on Ashtang Hriday Sharistan 3/9. Okay, Ashaya Adhishtanam and Ashaya Adhar. The word meaning of Ashaya is position, residence, site, nest, shelter and seat. Now we will discuss regarding number of Ashaya. There are 7 number of Ashaya in our body. Ashaya Shapta. Now we will see regarding types of Ashaya. There are 7 types of Ashaya, but Garbhashaya Ashtam is Garbhashaya is additional in female. Ashayastu Vatashay, Pittashay, Shleshmashay, Raktashay, Amashay, Pakvashay, Mutrashay, Strinam Garbhashayo Ashtam iti. Okay. Sushushari 5/8. The 7 Ashaya are as follows: Vatashay, Pittashay, Shleshmashay, Raktashay, Amashay, Pakvashay and Mutrashay. Garbhashay in Stri is considered as 8th Ashaya. Okay, that we have discussed. Ashaya according to different acharyas. First, Sushruta Acharya and Vagbhat Acharya. Vagbhat follows the Sushruta Acharya same. Okay, Vatashay, Pittashay, Shleshmashay, Raktashay, Amashay, Pakvashay, Mutrashay, Garbhashay. Okay, in female. Also, there are mentioned the Stanashay, okay, in female, that I forgot to tell you. Okay. Now we will discuss regarding individual separately Ashay. First, Vatashay. The residence of Vata is known as Vatashay. Pakvashay Kati Shakti Srotasthi Sparshneendriyam Sthanam Vatasya Tatrabi Pakvadhana Visheshta. References Ashtang Hriday Sushrut 12/1. The body part which give residence for Vata are Basti, Purishadhan, Kati, Sakti, Pad, Asthi, Pakvashay, Shrotra, Sparshneendriya. Among them, Pakvashay is considered as prime adobe or site for the Vata. Okay, this sloka you have learned in Ashtang Hriday Sutra 12. Okay, dosha as well as in Sharir Kriya you will learn this shloka. So by heart this shloka. Now Pitta Ashay. Location Nabhiramashay Shvedo Lasika Rudiram Rasa Druksparshanam Cha Pittasya Nabhiratra Visheshta. Reference Ashtang Hriday Sutra 12/2. The residents for Pitta are Sveda, Rasa, Lasika, Rudira, Amashay, Nabhi, Druk, eyes, Sparsh, skin. Among them, Nabhi is considered as a special region for Pitta. Okay, Nabhiratra Visheshta. Now we will discuss regarding Shleshmashay. Ura Kanta Shira Kloma Parvanya Amashayo Rasa Medo Granam Cha Jiva Kapasya Sutramura. The residents of Kapha are Ura, Shira, Griva, Parva, Amashay, Meda, Kantha, Kloma, okay, Grana, Jiva. Among them, Ura is considered as the special region for the Shleshma. Okay. Now, Raktashay. ओके. रक्त आशय शोणितस्य स्थानं यकृत प्लीहानो. सुश्रुत सूत्र 21/16. Yakrut and pliha are considered as the residence for Rakta. Rakta is considered as Jiva and its residence is pliha, which is located on the left side of the Hridaya in the Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Now we will discuss regarding Am Ashay. Okay. Words suggest आमस्य अन्नस्य आधार. सो अत्र आम शब्देन उक्त. टीकाकार अरुण दत्त on अष्टांगहृदय शारीर 3/10-11. आमाशय नाभिर ऊर्ध्वम अपक्व अन्न स्थानम. हेमाद्रि अष्टांगहृदय सूत्र 12/2. Okay. The sides meaning of the आमाशय आमस्य अन्नस्य आधार. सो अत्र आम शब्देन उक्त. The sites where आम अन्न आमाशय अन्नस्य. The sites where आम अन्न अपक्व अन्न resides is known as आमाशय. पक्वाशय तथा पक्वस्य अन्नस्य पुरिष्टा प्राप्तस्य य आधारस्य पक्व शब्देन उच्यते. टीकाकार अरुण दत्त on अष्टांगहृदय शारीर 3/10-11. Okay. There was आमस्य अन्नस्य. Okay. Here पक्वस्य अन्नस्य पुरिष्टां प्राप्तस्य य आधारस्य पक्व शब्देन उच्यते. The region where pakwa anna in amashay there was ama or indigested food. The region where pakwa or digested food anna which is in the state of getting converted into purisha and stage is known as pakwashay. Pakwashayo nabher adha pakwa anna sthanam. Hemadri Ashtangahridaya Sutra 12/2. Okay. Pakwashay is located below the nabhi. Okay. Pakwashay nabher adha. Adha means below. Pakwa anna sthanam. Okay. Mutrashay. Okay. Mutra ashay. Mutrashayo maladhara pranayatanam uttamam. Okay. Reference Susrut Nidan 3/20. Mutrashay is one among the Dasha Pranayatana and it acts as a reservoir for Mutra. Okay. Dash Pranayatana. Among them, Mutrashay is considered as one of the Pranayatana and it acts as a reservoir for Mutra. Mutrashayo Bastina. Basti itself is considered as Mutrashay. Okay. Urinary bladder. You can consider it as a urinary bladder. Now, गर्भाशय. पित्तपक्वाशयोर्मध्ये गर्भशय्या यत्र गर्भस्तिष्ठति. पित्तपक्वाशयोर्मध्ये गर्भशय्या. The residence of Garbha is known as Garbhashay. It is located between Pittashay and Pakvashay. Pittapakvashay मध्ये गर्भशय्या. Okay, Garbh is located. Okay, or reside. Description regarding गर्भाशय. शंखनाभ्या आकृति योनिस्त्र आवर्ता सप्रकृतिता तस्य तृतीये त्व आवर्ते गर्भाशया प्रतिष्ठिता. यथा रोहित मत्स्यस्य मुखं भवति रूपतः तत् संस्थानां तथा रूपं गर्भाशय विदुर्बुदा. Yoni has the shape of Shankh-Nabhi conch shell. There are 3 avarta in Yoni and in the 3rd avarta Garbhashay is situated. Structurally, Garbhashay is resembles the Rohit fish which has a small mouth and large cavity inside. Okay. Last one is Stanashay which is mentioned by Sharangdhar Purvakhand 5/7. Stano Stanashaya Mato. Breast are known as Stan Ashay. Okay. Stanya Ashay. Thank you everyone.